Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I've got something really special here in the Cop studio. This is an all-new tool from Milwaukee's M18 line that's never been seen before today. I'm Rob, and this is Cop Tool Special Coverage. This 8.7-pound monster does one thing, and it does it really well. So this is the new Milwaukee M18 Brushless threaded rod cutter. These are zinc threaded rods, commonly used for anchor bolts, clamps, hangers, and U-bolts. These things are everywhere in structured cabling, but like most construction materials, these need to be cut down to size. Now there are a bunch of different ways to do that. You can use chop saws, band saws, hack saws, and even grinders. But most of these options don't work well overhead, which is where a lot of these rods are when they're being used in trim for hanging cable baskets or supporting various things that are routed through your ceiling. The other problems that these saws present are bad cuts that cause burrs or chips that have to be chamfered before they can easily get a nut back onto the thread. All of that's really time consuming. Now Milwaukee's claim to solve every one of these problems and more. The new 2872 uses a set of threaded dies that quickly cuts right through the rod, leaving a perfect burr-free cut you can immediately thread onto an anchor or thread a fastener onto the end. Now, the design is heavily aimed at one-handed overhead use, with a clear line of sight and a 1.5-inch built-in trim length, but it also lays perfectly flat for benchtop use. That's how I'm going to use it for this demo. Now, these are the cutting dies. Each 4-sided die accommodates 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch coarse threaded rods. Rotating and replacing the dies are dirt easy using the attached hex wrench. It's not a fast switch, but it's easy to do. Now, the die with 1 dot goes on top, while the die with 2 goes on the bottom. Once these die are in place, we simply hold the rod against the lower or fixed die, then pull the trigger and hold it down. After it cuts, the die will automatically move back into place and it'll shut off, immediately ready for the next cut. Now, it's critical that you hold the rod securely against the lower fixed die, which takes focus when you're working overhead on a ladder. If you hold the rod at even the smallest angle, the threads won't line up, and you risk jamming the cutting dies. If you get your dies stuck, that's what the reverse button at the bottom of the tool is for. Now, these dies are rated to last for 1,000 cuts on 3/8 inch zinc, 150 cuts on 3/8 inch stainless, and 233 cuts on 1/2 inch zinc. Now, the tool will be available bare, but it also comes in a kit with a 2 amp-hour battery and charger. Now, the 2 amp-hour battery should give you over 400 cuts of 3/8 inch zinc on a single charge. Now, obviously, this is a very niche tool, but it's a game changer for tradesmen who cut threaded rod every day. So the amount of time it can save is a significant reason enough to justify this tool's existence. Now, this guy was only announced by Milwaukee today. So until now, we haven't been able to show it to anybody. But now that it's out, we're taking it over to our friends at a prefab shop who are working on a few major data centers, and they consequently cut threaded rod daily. Now, currently, they do it with a DeWalt DCS 350 20-volt max threaded rod cutter, which shares a similar design to this Milwaukee and stats. Now, Milwaukee assures us that their new design is lighter, it has better ergonomics, and delivers the perfect burr-free cut consistently, something we haven't exactly seen with the DeWalt. So, when I'm done here, I'm gonna go and drop this off with the pros for a week, and then we'll feature it in an inside look where we'll get the opinions of pros and have our own Chris Cousins take this thing apart to see how it works. So be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss that new episode. And don't forget to join us this Friday and every Friday for our Week in Review, where we gather all of the industry's best news and features just for you. I'll see you then.